Ladies, we got something for you. Now, I wear Meta Ray-Bans and I'm always recording natural moments. I do it for the good. Some people don't like Ray-Bans because they think that some people are creepy and stuff like that. But I like to catch you in a natural moment in your good light. Well, ladies, there's a way for you to do the same thing and nobody will probably even catch it. And they got hair clip cameras now. There's a tech startup company called Computer Angel is changing how people record video by introducing a wearable camera built directly into a hair clip. The lady's name is Jenny Zhang, and this device attaches to your hair and records point of view footage from your head level. So basically what you see is what you get. Now, Bretta May bands are in 3K, they say. Whereas this video is more low resolution and it's kind of got the quality of a flip phone. It's not high quality, but it still captures the moment. And there's no official pricing details or retail release dates just yet, but the creator is treating the project as a specialized storytelling tool. So you got your hair clip on, you're recording, you're going on about your day. And while you're going on about your day, you're capturing the moment. You're walking alone at night or entering an unfamiliar area can be stressful. Clipping this device onto your hair provides hands-free video attention of a standard phone or a body camera. Parents and grandparents can record birthday parties, holiday dinners, or grandchildren opening gifts while staying fully present in the moment. Your hands stay free to hug family members instead of holding a mobile device. That's kind of what the Ray-Bans do, right? Now you just got it in your hair. Traditional smart glasses can cause the little nose bridge where you gotta keep pushing it up on your nose. They can put pressure behind the ears. Shifting the hardware weight to a hair clip eliminates facial fatigue, especially when you've had the glasses on all day. And they say keeping a record of your daily thoughts or afternoon walks becomes simple. You just turn the clip on and you speak naturally as if you're just having a regular day and you ain't got to stare into a bright screen talking about, are we recording? Is it live? Oh, I didn't mean to say that. No, you're just being yourself. Now, Bluetooth pairing, cloud synchronization is very easy. Y'all know how to use Bluetooth. Y'all know what the cloud is. The hardware completely strips away the frustrating menus, firmware updates, and touch-sensitive swipe controls that complicate modern technology. It is basically a basic, dedicated recording device. That's it. You clip it into place, press the button, and it starts rolling. That's it. Now, they say some things you need to be worried about. The clip form factor requires a solid amount of hair to stay secure. Individuals with short hair, thinning hair, or bald heads like myself or Revis, well, you can't use it. It's not designed for us. It's designed for people that have hair. Because the camera sits in your hair, people around you might not notice that they're being recorded. This can lead to some issues to where people are like, you recording me? Especially if you're doing it in a locker room where you're getting undressed, and that might not be the right place to do that kind of thing. You don't want to be creepy. You want to do it in good faith, if that makes sense. Now they say some positives. Your hands and face remain completely free. You don't have to worry about no mounts. You ain't got to worry about no frames. They just say, just put it in your hair and rock with it. And basically the clip allows you to attach it to the camera to the backpack. So if you got one of those purses or your backpack, you can clip it on there and it can still record that way. Your jacket lapels or even a sun visor when you're not wearing it in your hair. So that's some things that you need to worry about. Now, right now, we don't know about the video quality. We have to find out what that video quality is. And remember, if you tilt your head or if you nod like this, like I'm moving right now, it could create shaky or jerky video, and nobody wants that shaky or jerky video, if that makes sense. So I don't know. The question is, what do you think of this technology? Are you for it? Are you against it? Let us know in the comments. You have to type it out. This one you got to type out. Do you like it or do you not? Let's see what the comments say right here. They say, hold on. Seems like there's going to be a lot of lost hair clips falling out. I see you, Shirley P. Yeah, let us know. Revis, what do you think about this?
I think it's discrimination. I can't use it. You can't use it. It's not for everybody. I think it's a good thing. It really helps off when, especially when the things are going on in today's world with the assaults and the rapes and things like that right there. I think it is really a good tool for that there. But we got to see what the quality is.
Speaking of quality, the link to the article is in the description. And if you click on the name of the company, it will take you to their page. And then when you click on their page, there's a video that's there. I don't want to play it because then we'll get a copyright strike and then we got to deal with that because we use their content, if that makes sense. So I don't want to get caught up with that. But the link to this article and all articles are in the description of the YouTube video. Some people are saying maybe you can clip it to a clip hat. Yeah, you can do that. I'm gonna need more research, they said. I think I like it. It's a decent alternative to glasses. Yeah. Whoop whoop says, she pulled up. Shout out to Joyce. I see you. Appreciate you. Overall, these type of technology are great for security purposes. Yes. Now that part, I agree with you. I agree with all of that right there. This is great for security purposes. Here's some more images of what this actually looks like. I think you guys might actually like this here, or you can at least see it for your own purposes. But that's what the hair clip would look like. Now, I don't know if that's one camera or if that's two cameras right there, but you got an opportunity to see what you're working with. Ladies, if this is something that you want, we don't know how much it's going to cost or what it will retail for, but at least let me see if I can get that right there. Here we go. That's another angle right there with a hair clip. So at least you can see what the hair clip camera looks like. And if it's something that you're interested in, the name of the company is called Computer Angel. That's the name of the company. Yeah, that's what it is. Lisa Maria says, I like it. I like it. She's like, I like it. That's what I'm talking.
I thought it would be a little bit more discreet.
Well, it's first generation. You know what they do out here, Revis, and anybody else. They come out with the first generation and it's cool technology. And then the second generation comes out a year or maybe even 2 years later. And then they say, oh, we made a thinner and lighter one, more pixels in the camera. That's what they do. So the first one is just their template. And I'm a first generation user. I got to have it first. So I got the A10 Mini. Then as soon as I got the A10 Mini, the A10 Mini ISO came out. Then the A10 Mini ISO Pro came out. Then another A10 Mini came. But I had to have the first A10 Mini. And when I got the first A10 Mini, it was like, hey, I could press multiple buttons. I can go switch back and forth to camera 1 and camera 2. I can do all of that. But then the ISO came out, and then it came out with some better features. And when the new features came out, it was like, ooh, I need that. But now you got to drop another $300-$400. Now, how much this camera hair clip is going to cost, we don't know. I'm just saying for the A10 Mini, that's what they wanted. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to use that regular A10 Mini, and we're going to get all the use out of it that we can until we get another $400 to upgrade, and then we sell this one. That's what we're going to do. So, yeah.
And I'll get one in about 10 years because I'll be able to afford it then. It might be outdated, but hey, I'll have one.
Reeves, you can get mine once I put some money on it. You can get mine, and I'll go get the new one. There we go. Yeah, there we go. I like that. Memoirs of a Shy Girl said it does look heavy, and that design is not sexy. And I think she was feeling it until they actually saw what it looks like.
That's why I said it's pretty big and bulky.
Ray Wright says, me too, Revis. Shirley P said, looks heavy. Well, maybe if they go back and maybe they create two of them. Maybe they drop two of them before they release it, when they release both of them, because it's still in beta right now. So just keep that in mind. It's in beta. Just putting it out there. At least you see what it looked like. It's one thing to say we talking about it, but it's another thing when you can see it. Is that something that you would be willing to buy your significant other, fellas? Ladies, is this something that you're willing to buy for yourself? And let us know. Let us know in the comments. Would you buy something like this? I don't know. Well, that's what it is.
Tap in with us. Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. We simplify it for you. You can't say we didn't tell you. See y'all there. Don't miss out.